Welcome to back. Subscribe my channel. The 2025 Honda HR-V is a compact crossover SUV that seamlessly blends style, performance, and practicality. Designed to cater to modern drivers seeking versatility and comfort, the HR-V offers a comprehensive package suitable for various lifestyles. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 HR-V is equipped with a 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine, delivering 158 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 138 lb, featuring a torque at 4,200 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient power delivery. Front-wheel drive is standard across all trims, with the option for real-time AWD for enhanced traction in diverse driving conditions. Fuel efficiency. The HR-V demonstrates commendable fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive models achieve an EPA-estimated 26 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway, while all-wheel drive variants offer 25 mpg city and 30 mpg highway. These figures make the HR-V an economical choice for both urban commuting and longer journeys. Dimensions and cargo space. The HR-V's design emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality. It boasts a spacious interior with comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The 60/40 split second-row seats can be easily configured to accommodate various cargo needs, enhancing the vehicle's versatility. While specific cargo volume figures are not provided, the HR-V is designed to offer ample storage space for everyday use. Trim levels and features. The 2025 HR-V is available in 3 distinct trims: LX, Sport, and XL. LX. The base model comes equipped with essential features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, push-button start, automatic climate control, LED headlights, and the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technologies. Sport. Building upon the LX, the Sport trim introduces performance-inspired elements, including 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, a chrome exhaust finisher, rear privacy glass, a sport grille, and heated, gloss black power side mirrors. XL. As the top-tier trim, the XL offers luxury-focused features such as leather-trimmed seats, a driver's seat with 8-way power adjustment, a 9-inch color touchscreen with customizable settings, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a wireless phone charger, a 180-watt audio system with 8 speakers, Sirius XM and HD radio, dual-zone automatic climate control, a moonroof, parking sensors front and rear, and low-speed braking control. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern in the HR-V's design. The Honda Sensing suite includes advanced features such as collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. These technologies work collaboratively to enhance driver awareness and mitigate potential hazards on the road. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the HR-V offers a thoughtfully designed cabin with comfortable seating and a range of storage compartments. Electrostatic second-row reading lights that activate with a simple